Hello traders. The title of the video is how to trade a CCI inverted head and shoulder like a pro a CCI a trader. So I have on a monthly chart of the Dow Jones Index. Yes, Dow Jones Index. All right, my favorite index. All right, and we have here the CCI forming what we call the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Can you see that? This is the head here. This is the left hand side shoulder. This is the right hand side shoulder. So we have an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. It's a very bullish pattern. So you can see the CCI exhibit this low, and then it formed this deepest low. Now, one thing you need to understand that when the CCI for a long time achieve the deepest low, it can also it means that if we go below, you see this on my chart, I have a pitchfork tool here connecting the low of July 2010, all right, to this one here, to the high of May 2011, and the low of September 2011. With those 3 points, we draw our pink pitchfork tool. This deepest low, the head of that inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, it means that if we go below that pitchfork tool, the price can continue to go down more. But what has changed so far is that the CCI formed a higher low here, creating an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. So it is bullish looking at the CCI alone, the commodity channel index alone, because traders are trading. You see here, you look at this one. See how the CCI printed that double bottom pattern here. It went deep and then formed a double bottom, which is the validation support level. Now look, so all you can say, if this is a good bullish CCI pattern, what? The price must exhibit a higher low. So here it is, or at least a higher low after a higher high. So here there was this, you see this high here, this high. So price came down from this high and then came down. Now it breaks above the high and it tested here when after this. So the warning was here. The CCI give us a warning that be ready that the price has a high chance to go up. But look, when we reach the signal, so the warning was completed, let's say, which in February 2016, but the setup was in place when? In November 2016, you see. So the same thing we are seeing here, we see this is another warning, an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. You don't want to ignore it. It doesn't mean that definitely price will go up. You say, all right, I acknowledge the message. Somebody said you test message, you acknowledge it, I receive it. That's it. So somebody say, I will pay you on Friday. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to that. Yes or no? So this is it. So CCI is exhibiting a bullish pattern. We say, all right, the price is likely to go up. Yes, we acknowledge that message and we look forward to that until the price exhibit. You see, now we are in a congestion zone. The price consolidating here. All right, blah, blah, blah. So we can be very patient like we did here and look for breaks above, retest, common settler is broken, implement a top-down trading method. Any higher low after a higher high after this pattern is bullish. So we will draw a trend line. So if it's after this bullish pattern, you want to trade on the edge of a trend line. The same thing we will do here. Once it start going up, there will be a trend line that will guide us or a pitchfork tool that will guide us. Inverted head and shoulder pattern, CCI. So that's how you trade it. There are many patterns that the CCI is exhibiting all the time. Look at this section here. There was another one here. Will you agree? A messy one, inverted head and shoulder chart pattern for the CCI. That's it. You just acknowledge it and now breaks above and retest right there. After the pattern is completed, or right here on the edge of it, and then the price will stay above a trend line until you break below it. Then you know that it's finished. All right, it's going on all the time. So look for those. You see, double bottom. Here it is. Here it is. So here it is. So now we have this double bottom here, which was in place. Okay. So if it failed to find a support, don't forget that the head or the deepest that the CCI went, the price can continue to go down more. So here it is. You see the pattern was completed right here. Pay attention to the vertical line. Price continue to went up a bit, but continue to go down more. The CCI say, no, I'm telling you, it's going to go up. If I get another double bottom here, plus a higher low. So all kind of bullish chart pattern, this one. Okay. And then it's showing more again here. And then you just want the price to confirm it, break a bow, retest, higher low, higher high, common structure is broken, implement a top-down trading method to trade. It's something that can help your trading. Now, what usually take place? I've done it myself, okay? So new trader, be careful. So you watch a video like this, it makes sense, it's very simple. What a lot of new traders tend to do, which myself have done before, that people will go on 5 minutes or 50 minutes and they will try to use this strategy. When you are trading on a lower time frame, you are playing with the market noise. And most importantly, those that are trading on the lower time frame without combining it with a higher time frame or a different time frame trading method are just all over the place. And then they will go from one trading strategy to the next one. And after a while, they get confused to the point that they don't know what to trust or what to use anymore. The best approach, use this strategy, find a trading setup. So this is what we say to trade. If you have been trading for years and you do not understand how to use the trading drill, you are still at the bottom of the queue, which is wrong. You are letting yourself down. Find a trading setup on another time frame, wait for the signal on another time frame, and enter the trade on another time frame. You have to find a trading setup that will generate a signal. If there is no signal, never buy any financial instrument for that. If you see the signal, ask the question which trading setup has generated the signal. The professional trader went a little bit further because not only they are following the trading drill, they want to validate even the trading setup. So they find the trading setup on a daily chart. They say, let's go and look on the corresponding higher time frame. They will go to the monthly chart. So they see, for instance, a cap and handle chart pattern, they handle it form at a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the cap. So they say, all right, good. Let's go and see the monthly chart. They go on the monthly chart, the price in the declining chart, they say, I'm not interested. So this is it, okay? This is it. So I hope I managed to clarify what we are talking about here, okay? How to trade CCI, invert the head and shoulder chart pattern like a pro. Like a pro mean use different time frame trading method, apply the trading drill, all right? Like a pro CCI trader, all right? If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question, all right? If this video has been totally useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you say, George, you haven't done a very good job today, all right? Or I'm still waiting for my video, all right? Okay, don't worry. It's in the pack, okay? If you don't like this video, please mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on the social media. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day Pro Traders. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Dow Jones Index. I want to talk about something else for traders that watch the video to the end so you do not miss anything. The Dow Jones Index, you are my friend, yes or no? Okay. The current long-term equilibrium price level for the Dow Jones is at 26050. 26050. This is the long-term equilibrium price level for the Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones, you can see it crashed down to it. Two candlestick bar, similarly to the S&P 500. S&P 500 did the same thing near the short-term equilibrium, the long-term equilibrium price level. All right, and now it breaks above it, and today it's pulling back, which is good. Same thing the S&P 500 is doing. So note this level down to 6050. That's the long-term equilibrium price level for the Dow Jones. All right. The short-term equilibrium price level for the Dow Jones, for those of you that are interested, is at 24343. 24343. A nice number. You can't forget that. 24343. That's the orange line here. Recently, the price tried to come near that level. Can you see that? In June. I find it upon the edge of the pink trend line of that pitchfork tool that I was talking about earlier on, but almost near that. Okay, yeah, I'm talking about this one here. So we are here again now, the long-term equilibrium price level. Okay, so the long-term and the short-term equilibrium price level are my own proprietary trading tool. But if you are TSTW trader, you are trading a financial instrument, you say, Joe, can you tell me the short-term and the long-term equilibrium price level? Just contact me via my Gmail, and I will tell you exactly, okay, where are the short-term and the long-term equilibrium price level. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to trade CCI inverted head and shoulder chart pattern like a pro CCI trader. A lot of CCI traders, especially the woody CCI traders, use the CCI pattern. I recorded a video a few weeks ago, a few months ago, in fact, about the CCI pattern. And this is again one example here that we cannot afford to ignore. Talking to Ilio wave traders, the Dow Jones is we were expecting a fourth wave. We're still waiting for the fifth wave. All right. So this indication here is very interesting for us. After this month of August is closed, we want to see what will happen next. So at this junction, all I would say to traders, priority to bullish signal above the long-term equilibrium price level at 26050 and priority to bearish signal below that level. Attention to other resistance ahead. All right. As you are going one step at a time, draw the pitchfork tool and trade on the edge. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how to trade CCI inverted head and shoulder like a pro CCI trader. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.